Oh my gosh. I looked over and this floor was spotless a minute ago. And look, Puffy, what did you get into? With the hole right there. Great. So he snuck up in there. Did it so, like, stealth. Come back here. Now we have a mess. You can't blink. You just can't blink with a Caique. They are, there he goes. He's like a spider. Just so sneaky. What are you gonna do now? Oh. Well, there it goes. No more pop quinoa. I can still see you. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the mess is getting worse. Get out of there. Look at this mess. Okay, so first we had the popped quinoa, and then he tore a hole in the bag of the beans, and then the liquid went everywhere, and now he's rolling in it. Puffy, get out of that. Get out of that. Seriously. Look at a mess. I thought I was going to sit here and finally relax. No, you're getting beans all over you. Bean juice. You're getting bean juice all over you. Come here. No. Let me have that. Come out of there. Seriously. Come on. Look, this bird. Victoria did that. But so now he goes up there and gets into the food. Nope. Look at this. Popped quinoa. I'm going to have to throw you in the tub now. He has bean juice all over him. Oh, what a mess. No. Get out of that. Now he wants to surf on. Get out of that. He's just. Oh, Caiques. Get out of that. Get out of that. Caiques are. It's when they're quiet is when you gotta worry. He was quiet for like 3 minutes and then this happened. When they're quiet, that's when really bad things are happening. I don't even know how I'm gonna get. I was gonna vacuum this, but then he got the bean juice all over there, so now I have to I don't even know how to. I need a shovel. All right, clean up on aisle 1.